In this video, we're going to show you how to install the operating thermostat in your dryer. To install our operating thermostat, simply go to find our wiring harness that attaches to. And in this case, there's 4 wires. Some of these only have 2, some will only have 3. In this case, we're dealing with 4. And you'll see that we have 2 thick wires and 2 smaller gauge wires. And the terminal sizes are different. So it makes it very easy to put the thermostat back in just because of the different size terminals. They can only go into the location that they're fitted for. And those connections should go on with a little bit of effort. If they're really loose or they're just sort of sliding on and off, then you're going to want to take a pair of pliers and tighten those up a bit before you put them on. Otherwise, that loose connection will overheat and it'll either melt your wire or it'll make a bad enough connection that it'll arc a little bit and actually ruin your thermostat. So we'll just pop our other 2 back on. And we'll just position it back into the housing. Put our retaining screw in place. On some machines, they may use 2 screws to hold it. This particular machine just has the 1. Now that we have the operating thermostat secured, now all we have to do is put the back on the machine. So now just bring your back panel into place. Just get it lined up and start it. Now you don't want to tighten that screw yet, because as you put your other screws in, you need to have the flexibility of kind of jiggling that back panel to get it into the exact proper spot. If you tighten the screw, it's just going to make it hard to get everything else lined up. And that's how easy it is to install the operating thermostat in your dryer.